45 farmers commit suicide every day in India, and they have no immediate treatment in Indian villages. There is a serious need for post-suicide treatment management system that can provide gastric lavage, the traditional poison removal process, as fast as possible to save lives in emergency situation. Moreover, they are not offered treatment in villages itself due to multiple reasons. So by the time the patient reaches a city hospital for treatment, the poison has already entered into the circulatory system and the patient ends up dying. Till today, there hasn't been any solution that enables life saving in villages, and such a crucial problem has been overlooked for all these years. Namaste, this is Siddharth Yuva from India, here to introduce my product Survive. A first of its kind to completely automate the gastric lavage process for village use case scenario to drastically reduce the time and efforts of treatment, where every second is really crucial to save the patient's life in emergencies. There are no immediate treatment in Indian villages, and even for the patient to reach to the city, because of the bad road transportation, it gets even more worse. Even when the patient reaches the hospital, the existing process of poison removal is really a lengthy process, and it's a really riskful process. There are some serious critical issues in the existing process, like every time they detach the poison tube, there are high chances air bubbles could get into the stomach and the patient might end up dying. Other serious issues like there is constant movement required in the existing process. So this critical problem required an innovative solution that could save life as soon as possible in Indian villages. So I started ideating from multiple levels with different perspectives to see how this problem could be solved. So various inspirations like how the blood transfusion works and the plants around us, like how does transportation system in their body works. So after multiple iterations and multiple prototypes with a lot of journey, finally Survive was born. A new technology inspired by the unique abilities of an oil rig factory's oil pulling out mechanism and way the steam engine used to work in the past. This new technology ensures to convert the circular motion of the motor into two syringe suck and push movement continuously in order to automate the entire process to drastically reduce the time and efforts of the treatment. A strategically designed special valve which has two one-way valves arranged in a special way to alternate the movement of the liquid from the saline dispenser to the stomach and from the stomach to the dispersing bag. So you first open the main chamber to install the syringes in place. Once that's done, you attach the saline dispenser to its main port in the product. Then the dispersing bag gets fitted onto the Survive. So a traditional gastric lavage process takes around 40 to 45 minutes to complete the entire process, but Survive could finish the same in 2 to 3 minutes to drastically reduce the time and save lives as soon as possible in village use case scenarios. Survive requires very minimal training to use the product, so that even a rural healthcare worker could use the machine in emergencies to save lives. It comes with an automatic cut-off mechanism, and the speed control could be customized according to the patient. 70% of India's population lives in the village. There are more than 5 lakh villages and 1.5 lakh working rural healthcare centers. And there is a serious need for post-suicide treatment management system to every suicide patient out there. So I believe Survive could reach out to every suicide patient out there to serve them as soon as possible to save lives and recover them back to this world. Since this product requires very minimal training and the Indian government has made it mandatory to have rural healthcare workers in every village, they could easily use this product to save lives as soon as possible in every Indian village. Survive is not only restricted to villages in farmer suicide cases, it could also play a crucial role in immediate rescue and ambulances. It could serve doctors and nurses in city hospitals as well. It is not restricted to farmer suicide cases in villages, but it has other extensive applications as well. For example, Survive would play a crucial role in all stomach flushing scenarios. For example, like baby poisoning, food poisoning, overconsumption of alcohol patients, medicine patients, etc. Stomach flushing itself is yet another huge market and industry in future. There are 5 lakh villages, 1.5 lakh rural health centers, 45 lives lost every day. I believe Survive could go out there and save each life as soon as possible to create an impact in the society. Let's save one life at a time in Indian villages by making Survive a reality.